In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on switch control on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone, you can easily turn on switch control or turn on voice control. So the iPhone switch control and voice control are not the same. They perform different functions. So here, you learn how you can easily turn on or enable the switch control on your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to enable or turn on switch control on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, scroll down and under physical and motor, locate switch control. Click on that, then turn on switch control. There you go. You see an important method says switch control changes the gesture you use to control your iPhone. Then if you use this type of a gesture to control your iPhone just like this, then the switch control is going to change it. Go ahead and type turn on switch control to enable the switch control. Okay, then you see that, then this is going to change how you control your iPhone using the switch control instead of using the default gesture setting. So this is how you can easily turn on switch control on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.